Hey there, Tia, aka Everyday Monet, and in this You Can series video, I'm talking all about bronzer, warming up the face, looking so like a beach bunny, so cute and lovely, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, I got my full face on except for my blush and my bronzer. So in this You Can series, we're talking about bronzer, so we're gonna bronze it up. I have a couple different brushes that I like to use. My two favorite bronzing brushes is this one. This is the e.l.f. It's just like the large powder brush. And then I also like this Real Techniques stippling powder brush. This one's gonna make it so it doesn't put as much product in. So usually I like to start with this one and then warm up the face using this one. So for this particular You Can series, we're just gonna use this LA Girl face collection. It says blush collection, but there's obviously a highlight and a bronzer, so it's a face palette in Spice. These retail for under $7. I think they're either $6.99 or less. You can get them at CVS or anywhere else they carry LA Girl. So I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. brush and I'm just going to go into the bronzer. And I like to coat both sides of my brush. Tap off the excess. And then what I like to do is I'm going to actually pull my hair back. And I'm going to show you when you make a fishy face, you can see that it will bring out the natural shadow on your face, and that's where you're going to concentrate a bronzer. So what I'm going to do is I like to start from the hairline down, just in case I have a little too much on my brush. So I'm going to start from the hairline down and just bring it down to that shadow. I'm going to do the same on the other side. So bronzing underneath the cheekbone there, it just is going to give you sort of a little bit more of a sculpted look. And then what I like to do to finish up bronzing, which for me it's not that big a deal because like I'm kind of pre-bronzed, but I use this Real Techniques. I don't add any more product, and then I'm going to swirl the product to diffuse it and then bring it all along the hairline, okay? And then I actually like to go above the top of the face. So think about where the sun would naturally hit you, like if you were out at the beach or hanging out on the porch, and that's where you want to pull the bronzer. And in tutorials, I gotta pull my ears back. In tutorials, that's what they would be referring to as warming up the face, which is where you're kind of bringing the color in all, oops, a sparkle, all along the hairline. If you feel like up here you need a little bit more because maybe, you know, you're just less bronzy than other people, you can take what's left on your e.l.f. powder brush and just really try to like circular motions into the hairline just so you don't get too ham with it. And like my hair is super crazy, but and there you go. That's what it looks like. You know, I just look like I maybe went out, got a little sunshine, and that's all there is to it. So I hope you enjoy this You Can series. I hope that it was helpful, and I know that you can bronze and look like a sun-kissed goddess all the time. If there's anything that you want to see in one of these series, leave it on down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.